Sustainability is a top priority for organizations worldwide. But did you know that the materials used in real estate and building maintenance play a crucial role in achieving sustainability goals? The buildings we renovate and manage have a major impact on the climate and environment, both through their energy consumption and the materials used. While many organizations focus on reducing operational carbon emissions from energy consumption, achieving net zero carbon goals requires us to also consider the carbon footprint of building materials, known as embodied carbon emissions. Sustainable material choices involve selecting building materials and products that are less carbon intensive through their entire life cycle, from raw material extraction to reuse or disposal. There are various indicators to measure the sustainability value of a building and its materials. With dedicated software, you can calculate these indicators using automated access to national environmental databases for up-to-date material scores. Introducing Plan & Building Circularity Insights, a powerful tool for real estate and maintenance teams. It enables organizations to assess the environmental and circularity performance of buildings to make sustainable material choices in maintenance and renovation planning. And you also gain the data needed to comply with reporting regulations and green deals. Interested in a demo? Visit our website to learn more and take the next step towards truly sustainable facilities.